So we just changed the plugs. Gonna change the oil. Did a little tuning on the carburetor. And changed the belt because the belt kept coming off. And then should be in better shape. Oh, we forgot to get those fucking valve cover gaskets.
Yes, we did.
Fuck. And I gotta bleep that out on the video because I forgot I'm not supposed to swear.
So call him and tell him.
Got the oil draining. About to put some new oil in. Had to disconnect the water pump. Get the pulley off. Get the belt off. Stupid Ford setup. But a couple of different things since the last time the car's been on the channel. The 289 is now a 302. It's got AFR heads on it. 500 lift cam. It's got 373 gears now. Did a little adjusting on the Z-bar setup down there. Seems to be a lot better than it was. I'm gonna get this finished up here and then take it for a ride. Well, we had a valve cover gasket leaking, so I'm gonna change them out. Got the Mr. gaskets. New oil going in. Try to get a ride in before it rains. We were just talking about if the 65 would be able to hang with the Camaro. I said no. Old Johnny here says yeah. So you know what that means.
You better get that thing up and running. So.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the green car blew the fucking fuse pump relay. Fuse pump relay. Wow. That's what happens when you don't sleep for 30 hours straight. 34 hours, whatever it's been now. Fuel pump relay. Fuel pump relay took a dump. So yeah, I gotta get one of those for that. Alright, it's all back together. Gonna fire it up. I forgot to mention, the car has a 5-speed in it now instead of the 4-speed.
65.